General Motors glove box lights, used from the mid-50s through the early 70s, are a one-piece design that incorporates the switch, connector, and an 1895 bulb. Since this switch was so widely used, General Motors changed the configuration slightly over the years, but the basic configuration stayed the same. The switch receives power from what's typically an orange wire in the dash wiring, or through a standalone glove box light harness. The terminal used in the switch resembles a fishhook and will slide into the side of the switch to contact the base of the bulb. This wire supplies constant battery power, meaning the light will function when the engine is not running. This fishhook type terminal is difficult to remove without damage, so be aware a terminal that has been removed after installation might not be reusable. For most applications, the ground portion of the connection is made when the switch is mounted in the metal glove box frame, which is why it only requires a single wire connection. Some vehicle applications may not have a metal mounting hole. In these cases, the light switch will require a ground wire to be attached to the tang on the side of the assembly to complete the circuit. Power will flow through the switch anytime the plunger is extended. The circuit is broken when the glove box is closed, which depresses the plunger. The switch assembly is available as a service piece in American Auto Wire part number 18000. Each light includes a switch, bulb, and wire with terminal and fuse panel battery connector to replace old or damaged components. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel. You can also stay up to date with American Auto Wire by checking us out on Facebook, CarBuff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutoWire.com.